You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright, on this quick episode of DIYNate, we all wonder what we can do with these great little iPhone boxes. Apple makes a great product, and they even make a great box. So you hate to throw one of these things away. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a quick little project today that we're going to turn this box into a storage container. I've got my Cutco Super Shears, and I'm going to just take this and I'm going to pop it inside the box so I can open it up and pull it out. Okay, now we're going to set that aside for a minute. We're going to cut this into quarters using, and you can use a scoring knife or something like that. And you don't really have to be too precise because it's all going to fit together, but I kind of generally draw a line right down the middle here. Go right down the side, across the edge there, and right here. So that's where I need to cut with my super shears or scoring knife or whatnot. And then we're going to rip the insides out. So this is a little challenging sometimes because you kind of got to get into the goods here. This is what makes Apple have such a good product. So you can see me kind of working it to try and get that open. It's a little bit challenging. Scissors separate, so I can kind of use them like a pry a little bit. And once I get that cardboard out of there, the whole inside should just pop out of there. And there's actually an extra layer inside as well. I usually like to take that out also. And so then we're going to take our super shears again, and I'm just going to take them. I'm going to cut right here, cut right through that cardboard, all the way around. Takes a little bit of work, a little bit of muscle if you're not using a scoring knife or something like that. But once you got it, there's one. So then we're going to come and we're going to cut it again, right down the middle. And now we're making quarters, and these will all fit nicely together in just a second here. We'll see how quickly they go back together. So we take our first one, now that they're separated. We're going to take the front of the box. We'll just take this and line them up here. You can see how quickly they go in. And now I've got my other piece. Go ahead and cut this. One more time here. Not too bad. Alright, so now Cutco Super Shears did the job, and I'm going to basically drop this guy in some way. Put it going right there. This other guy going nice and neat on the other side. Yeah, there we go. It's nice and neat in there, and our box is now in good shape. And you can use this for a lot of things. I think about if you're trying to organize a change drawer or something, you got quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. It could be one example. Nuts, bolts, screws, washers, or big, small, medium, large, nails, screws. There's a lot of other things you could use it for. You can think about thumbtacks, rubber bands. So here are just a couple examples of what you can do with these boxes. I've got some screws being contained there, quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and then your office supplies. It makes a nice little organizer for thumbtacks and paper clips, batteries, rubber bands, or whatever you might want to put in there. So pretty cool, and hope you enjoyed this. But again, a good storage organization item, and it turns that nice iPhone box into something useful and instead of just taking up closet space or landfill. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. If you like it and you found it helpful, don't forget to leave me a comment, and thanks again for watching DIYNate.